This is India's first post office to be constructed using the 3D printing technology. It is located at the Cambridge layout in Bengaluru. The building, spread across 1,100 square feet, is made with the help of a 3D printer which pours small heaps of cement. The cement, sand, and a waterproof chemical are added into a churner with measured amounts of water. The mixture then comes out in blocks, which are laid on top of each other, along with iron pillars in between for support. The project is being implemented by Larsen & Toubro at a cost of Rs 23 lakh. With the help of this 3D printing technology, a building can be constructed in any shape.
The whole project to be done in 45 days time. So this is the first time that we are actually using this in Bangalore for actually a public building. The people concerned in the post office, they have been asking us to do this building for the last 1 year. So ultimately we concluded the contract, and that's how we are here. Today we are on the 20th day, and so another 3 days by the Friday, I think we'll complete the 3D concreting portion of the 3D. The walls will complete. Then we'll put the precast, the roof, and all other things. So in this, everything is done is 3D printed in this building particularly. The idea here is that we have everything is computerized. The whole drawing is given to the computer. You do it in 3D printing. You can do any kind of shape. I think that's the advantage in 3D. I'm not bothered. It's actually the architect's delight. You want to do any building, any shape you want. So we'll do that.
Depending on the success of the project, the Postal Department might plan a few more such post offices in the future.